In this video, I will show you how to make a timer like this in PowerPoint. Thanks to Lukrembo for suggesting this topic. You want to start off by going to Insert in the ribbon and going to Shapes. Here, you choose the rectangle shape and place it on your slide. This will be the bar that will be going up. I'm also adding another rectangle with the same size, but with another color, under this one, so that it looks better. You then want to go to Insert again and insert a text box. In this text box you will add 000, and in the other text box you want to add the desired time of your timer. I'm also adding another text box for the title of the timer. At last, I'm adding a bell icon for something which I will get into shortly. You now want to start animating. Go to the Animations tab in the ribbon and select one of the rectangles. Click on More Animations and click on More Entrance Effects. Here, you want to pick the stretch animation. And after you chose that, you can click on Effect Options and pick From Left. To change the timing, you want to open the animation pane, right click on the animation and click on Timing. Here, you can change the duration of your timer to your desired time. Finally, you want to add a sound when the timer is over. You want to use the bell icon for that. Select the bell icon and add an emphasis animation to it, like theater. You then want to look at the animation pane and right click on the bell icon animation. You want to click on Start After Previous. After that, you want to right click the animation again and click on Effect Options. Here, you can add a sound of your choice to it. And there you have it. I hope this video helped. Consider subscribing and I will see you next time.